JR2, are you fine? Today we will make a revision about lesson 5 and lesson 6. Okay, do you remember sand dunes? Do you remember sand dunes? Okay, what we can see in this photo? What we can see in this photo? Yes, we can see amount of sand. We can see what? We can see amount of sand. This amount of sand, it's called sand dunes. It's called what? Sand dunes. How are sand dunes formed? How are sand dunes formed? I will tell you. When the wind or the air move the sand, and put the sand in this place, this amount of sand will form. This amount of sand will form. Look now what we can see. Yes, look. We can see the wind or the air move the sand. We can see the wind or the air move the sand. Yes, and what will happen after that? Look, this amount of sand will form. This amount of sand will form. Look now, what we can see? We can see white sand. We can see what? We can see white sand. Which it's called what? Which it's called white desert. It's called what? White desert. Yes, now what we can see? We can see a sea. We can see what? We can see a sea. And we can see eroded road. Eroded road. What's the meaning of eroded? What's the meaning of eroded? Eroded the surface. This is it's called the surface. The surface of the road is removed. Is what is removed? Or the surface of the road is broken. Is what is broken? Yes. Does the shape of the road change? Yes, the shape of the road change. Can you tell me what we can see? Yes, we can see sphinx. We can see what? We can see sphinx. And we can see sphinx after years. After what? After years. Does the shape of sphinx change? Yes, the shape of sphinx change. Look, we can see what? The nose of sphinx is broken. Is what? Is broken. So the shape of sphinx is change. When the shape of sphinx change, it's called erosion. It's called what? Erosion. So erosion is the change in the shape of things. Is the change in the shape of things around us by effect of wind or water. By the effect of wind or water. Now we will do an experiment about erosion. We will do an experiment about erosion. We will put a amount of sand. Look now. After that, we will put a amount of water. And we will move or push the water to the sand. Push or move the water to the sand. What will happen? Look now to tell me what will happen. Look, we will move the water to the sand. Yes, the sand falls down. The sand falls down. Yes, can you see? And the shape of sand change. So it's called erosion. Alexandria has interesting places For me, I like المنتزه. I like المنتزه. Citadel of Qaitbay. Citadel, this is Citadel of Qaitbay. And I like malls and cinema. Please, can you tell me which places that you like in Alexandria?